Hello and good afternoon from Middleshaw. I filmed in this field just a few weeks ago when Peter Cowan was doing the harvest there with the New Holland. So I'm just, oh dear, they're a bit away there, so I don't know if you can see it very clearly. Today I'm actually on my iPad, just trying it out with a new mic. This is just a single mic that I've now got. So it's quite a distance away, as I said, so whether the video is any good or not I'm not so sure, but they should be coming back over here. They don't look as though they've got that much to do at the other side, so this bit in the middle of the field is what they're going to be concentrating on there. So I've just come away from Stuart Barber, who was lifting potatoes at a Rossfield farm just outside Annan, and I'm actually waiting for a delivery at my son's house here. So I've got just lucky that I've got something to film today, which is quite good. It never looks very good on iPad because it's quite sunny, and you just have to wait and see what the video is like once we get back home there. So I'm just trying to keep it as level as I can as the tractor comes up the field there. So behind we have the River Milk. Just as the trees start there's a bridge on the River Milk. Start again. Today it's Peter Cowan Agri Services, or Cowan Contracting Services there, that's rolling the field with one of their Fendts.